Welcome to Superior ProCare Loyalty Program, an exclusive initiative to reward your business with valuable savings on every purchase. With our efficient point system, you can reduce costs, fully pay for products, or reinvest savings into your operations. In this video, we will guide you through how it works, understanding the point system and its value, how to redeem points, easy steps to utilize your rewards, best practices, strategic ways to optimize your point usage. Let's begin. The Superior ProCare Loyalty Program is designed with simplicity and value in mind. Here's how it works. For every Canadian dollar spent on eligible purchases, you earn 1 point. 25 points equal 1 Canadian dollar in redemption value. Example: if your purchase totals equal $1,000, you earn 1,000 points, which translates to a 40 Canadian dollars credit. To enhance transparency, every product page displays the exact number of points you'll earn and their dollar equivalent. This allows you to make informed purchasing decisions. Redeeming your points is straightforward. Add your desired items to the cart. During checkout, enter the number of points you want to redeem in the field below the coupon section. The system will automatically calculate and apply the corresponding discount to your order. To maximize the value of your loyalty points, we recommend the following: accessory redemptions. Used points for accessories such as filters, bags, and tools when purchasing high-value machines. Consumables. Fully redeem consumables like detergents, stain removers, or floor solutions to reduce ongoing costs. Partial discounts. Apply your points toward any product, even if your points balance doesn't cover the total value. Seasonal opportunities. Save points for seasonal promotions, such as Black Friday or clearance sales, to amplify your savings. Thank you for choosing Superior ProCare. We are committed to providing innovative and cost-effective solutions to support your commercial cleaning needs. For further assistance, refer to our FAQ or contact our support team. Superior ProCare, expert solutions for commercial cleaners.